So Elon Musk has come up with a very important tweet for Dogecoin. And the best thing is that it is hinting towards something great for Doge and its holders. So Dogecoin co-founder Billy Markus recently shared a tweet, and he talked about something very important for Dogecoin and its holders. So he said that it is kind of useless to see when people still talk about Dogecoin that it is a meme coin only. And Billy Markus believes that even if something that started as a joke can turn out to be quite useful. So he is saying despite Dogecoin being started as a joke, it has now become one of the most useful cryptos. And the most important thing to note here is that Elon Musk is agreeing with Billy Markus. So we can see here that Musk replied to Markus' tweet, and he said that the most entertaining outcome is the most likely. So what he is saying is that although Doge was started as an online joke to mock other cryptos, it has now become a crypto with the most utility. And we know that this is not the first time Musk has revealed that he thinks Dogecoin is fundamentally the best crypto right now. In an interview with Times Magazine, Musk stated that Dogecoin has an advantage over Bitcoin and other cryptos, and he sees Dogecoin as the best crypto to transact with. He believes that fundamentally, Bitcoin is not a good substitute for transactional currency, and even though it was created as a silly joke, Dogecoin is better suited for transactions. So the point is that Elon Musk is making it clear now that Dogecoin is the best crypto in the market for payments or transactions. And most importantly, this means that Doge holders should not worry about Dogecoin's price volatility, and they should rather look at the bigger picture. And the bigger picture is that Dogecoin is made for making transactions or to buy goods and services. And this is why I have been saying again and again that Dogecoin is going to become one of the most adopted cryptos sooner or later. And another thing is that Musk is now, again and again, coming up to show his massive support for Dogecoin. For example, we know that Musk shared a tweet last Christmas, and we can see here that basically he has got his Floki Shiba Inu dog all dressed up as Santa. And the important thing to note in this whole picture is that his dog has the Dogecoin medallion worn around his neck. So the point of sharing this tweet again is that even on important days like Christmas, Elon Musk has been showing his support for Dogecoin. And he is, again and again, showing everyone that he is a staunch supporter of Dogecoin and the Dogecoin community. And seeing his consistent support for Doge, I think that the future is looking bright for Dogecoin and its community. And as a result, I think that despite its current sluggish movement, Dogecoin can still rally massively this year. This is because Elon Musk has done it for Doge in the past with his tweets. All in all, I think that 2022 is going to be the year where Dogecoin can hit a new all-time high, and I think that the $1 target is still on the cards. And it is more likely because we know that Elon Musk has made some big plans for Dogecoin and the Dogecoin community. And as I mentioned in recent videos, Tesla is now officially accepting Dogecoin payments for its merchandise. And as I said, it is just the beginning of some major upcoming developments for Dogecoin. And we know that if this new payment method for Tesla merchandise works as per Elon Musk's expectations, then it is highly likely that Tesla will fully adopt Dogecoin payments for its vehicles. So the point I want to make here is that Elon Musk is now coming up with more and more tweets for Dogecoin, and this shows just how much he loves Dogecoin. And as I said, the good thing is that Musk is hinting towards something big for Dogecoin with his frequent tweets. And I think this can be Tesla's complete acceptance of Dogecoin and some SpaceX missions for Doge. Moreover, Musk's consistent support for Dogecoin will also inspire some other big names to join the Dogecoin community. All in all, I think it is now highly likely that we are going to see some huge developments for Dogecoin that can give a massive boost to its price and adoption in 2022 and beyond. So I think that Dogecoin holders should be ready for some massive developments. And as I have been saying it, I think that 2022 is going to be the year of Dogecoin thanks to none other than Elon Musk. And now, if we come to Dogecoin's current price, we are seeing that it has faced a slight retracement in the last 24 hours. And it is currently trading around the 16 to 17 cents price region. And although Doge has gone down, I think that it is highly likely that it will not drop below from here. This is because Dogecoin has managed to hold its support over these price regions. And another important thing is that we can see that Doge has been up by more than 15% in the last 7 days. So this means that Dogecoin has defied all the odds, and this is why I think that it is going to move up in the coming days. And another very bullish thing for Dogecoin is that the number of holders for Doge is also increasing day by day. And this is a major bullish indicator for it since it shows that investors are bullish about Doge. And this is why they are investing in it while eyeing major gains for it in the long term. So all these things mean that despite its current price movement, Dogecoin is going to gain further momentum in the near future. And now let's come to Bitcoin for a minute and see what is happening with it. So after going above the 43K level, we are now seeing that Bitcoin has witnessed a slight drop, and it is now trading around the 41K price level. However, I don't think that Bitcoin has entered a bear market since we are seeing some huge bullish indicators for it. For example, crypto analyst Matthew Hyland is saying that Bitcoin has not crossed the 3-day MACD yet, but it is getting closer. So we can see on this chart that when Bitcoin crosses this 3-day MACD, it creates a bullish signal. And if history is any guide, then Bitcoin initiates a price surge when this happens. And the good thing is that the current MACD structure is looking very similar to its previous bullish move-ups to all-time highs followed by a big correction. And we can see here that when Bitcoin previously crossed the MACD, then it had 3 impulse moves and then it went down. So the point is that Bitcoin is now getting pretty close to crossing this MACD. And once it crosses it, we will be seeing a big impulse move to the upside for Bitcoin. And I think it can take Bitcoin above the $50,000 price level. And another bullish indicator has been revealed by analyst Plan C. So he is saying that he will become a bear when the Bitcoin data is aggregate bearish and below the 50% level. At this point, the Bitcoin data is aggregate and it is around 60 to 70%, which means is bullish, and only 30 to 40% is still bearish. So the point is that he is still being bullish. And seeing this data, I'm also pretty bullish on Bitcoin. And this is why I think that Bitcoin is going to move up sooner than later. And another bullish indicator revealed by Plan C is that the market net position Bitcoin indicator and all previous tops that Bitcoin hit were the 0.7 to 0.71 level. And currently, Bitcoin is at the 0.55 level. So typically, when we see the tops above the 0.7 to 0.71 level, Bitcoin remains in the bull market. So we can see here that Bitcoin is now heading up to the bull market zone. And I think currently it is in the market confusion zone. And that is why a lot of people are saying that the bottom is not here for Bitcoin and it is poised to go down. However, if we see this chart, I still think that Bitcoin is going to move up soon. And I believe that Bitcoin is now getting ready to move into the bull market zone soon. And as per crypto analyst Yuri, if we look at the one-day hourly candles of Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin has a rising wedge. And we can see here that it is right on the 200 exponential moving average. And there is a very important rising wedge on the 1-hour candle. So this is just yet another indicator that is making me more and more bullish on Bitcoin since it is confirming that Bitcoin can hit the 50K level soon. So we have just seen some very important data for Bitcoin. And it is indicating that despite Bitcoin's current price drop, the long-term outlook is still pretty much bullish. And I think this is just more and more proof that we will soon see Bitcoin breaking out and going as high as 50K. And now let's see some bullish news for the overall crypto market. So just recently, India's Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, has called on governments globally to collaborate on crypto regulations. And he pointed out that the kind of technology that is linked with it, the judgments taken by a single country will be unable to deal with its challenges. So I think he is making a solid point, and I also think we need a global regulatory framework for cryptos. And it will help in the overall growth of the market. And talking about the crypto market's growth, a recent survey has revealed that 25% of Americans who currently do not own crypto plan to start investing in it. So this is very positive news for the market, and I think it is now clear that the overall crypto adoption is going to rise. And as I said before, Dogecoin is going to gain the most traction compared to other cryptos. This is because I think that Elon Musk is going to come up with more huge developments for it.